This is what your headlights would be doing if the computer wasn't working. I have it unhooked right now. This does the same thing if the joints aren't soldered correctly. Basically, you just pull the lights and nothing. The lights do come on right now, but they won't move. So I'm going to plug this computer in real quick, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards, should it work correctly. And I had mine resealed because there's a sticky crap in here, and you do not want to get on anything because it will stick to absolutely everything, and it does not come off. I think the only thing I got it off with is probably paint thinner or something, which could ruin everything else. But plug it in real quick. Alright, so now it's plugged in, and I have them up right now. Now the headlights, if I press down, go down, up. And you can even hear the actuator, or not actuator, but the little switch inside it moving. Yep, so you know it's working now, and that's the typical fix for fixing them. If you have any other issues with your headlights, it's probably a wiring issue, but if the headlight motors aren't coming up and down, either the motors are busted, or the little computer's busted. In my case, it was both. The guy who had it before was pulling the headlights up, I'm assuming because the computer stopped working, so he was ripping the headlights up, tore the gears out of it, which I should include a picture in this if I still have it laying around. I think I do. And, yep, ruined the headlights. I redid that computer right there, and they still don't work, so I had to go get a new pair of them off an older car and put them on it, and they work fine. As far as I know, they're pretty similar to sometimes window wipers and the electric window motors. They work too sometimes. I don't know if you can actually swap them between them, but they're identical, as in the motor as itself. I don't know about the rest of it, but you can typically only get these off Daytonas as far as I know. Maybe lasers. Well, I guess lasers don't because they're too old. But yep, that's mostly the fix for fixing your headlights that aren't popping up.
I'm fine.
Thank you.